What's up? What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I have filmed a video, but I'm back, of course, with another haul. How can I ever say no to clothes? I just love reviewing clothes for you guys. Today I will be trying on stuff from a website called Rebellious Fashion. It's an up-and-coming website. It's UK, so you already know all their stuff is going to be cute. I'm actually obsessed with like UK clothing websites because I feel like their stuff is just so much more different, and it really is. I loved everything that I got. It's so cute, so different, so fashionable. All of the links of everything that I'll be trying on today is, of course, in the description down below, as well as my measurements, so you can compare your body to mine, kind of figure out your sizing, because it is UK sizing, which I am still getting used to. I also have a sick discount code, so right now they have a site-wide sale going on, so it's up to 85% off everything on the website. And then if you use my code Casandra in the description down below, you can get an extra 10% off of that. Like, that's actually sick. With that being said, I'm so excited to show you what I got here today, and let's get to it. I'm gonna start off with shoes because I have two pairs here. They have so many cute shoes on the website. So what I settled with was a pair of heels. Oh, so cute. So they have one band across here and then just like one on the toe, which is a little weird to have all your other toes free. It's a little bit different, I must say, but you get used to it pretty quickly and they become a little bit easier to walk in. But I think they're so cute. This band is so stretchy, it really like holds your foot into it. And the heel is like a little bit thicker, so it's a lot comfier to walk in. Okay, so these are called the beige toe cuff faux leather mules. And so in Canadian sizes, I'm a size 8. But in a UK size, it is actually a size 6. So please double check before you get shoes from a UK website because it's not the same numbers. So 8 is actually a 6 for them. So yeah, they fit me perfectly. Yay, so cute. They're so cute. The next pair of shoes I got were these Booties. It is very quickly turning fall here in Canada and it's already cold and it's only the beginning of September, which is so sad. I have to wear like booties to work now, and I thought I should get a sensible, realistic pair of booties for work. And these were perfect because the heel is not tall at all, but I love to wear a little bit of a heel, especially at work. I feel like it makes it look more classy and stylish. So these are so cute. They are a fake leather. They have a not like super pointed toe, but a little bit round, you know. And then the zipper is on the back. That's how you get them on and off. It's just the back zipper, and they have a little bit of detailing on the back, and they are actually just so cute. These ones were called the Black PU Stud Zip Black Ankle Boot. Again, I got them in a size 6 and they fit me so perfect. They're so comfortable. I have like no rubbing going on anywhere that's going to give me a blister throughout the day, which is so important for work shoes. So I'm really stoked to wear. I'm going to wear them today. Okay, so the first actual clothing item that I got is actually a dress, and unfortunately it just like didn't really work out for me. I think it is so cute. I love the color, which is so rare for me. I'm not usually into yellows, but it looks so good with my tan and my hair and my skin tone. It is called the Mustard Bando Split Leg Bodycon dress, and I got in a size 10. It's basically just like a tube dress, but then it has like a really high split right in the front of your leg, which didn't really work out for me because I have thick thighs and the split was a little bit too risky. I got in a size 10, which I'm guessing is approximately a size medium, which is usually what I would be. I almost got a small, thank God I didn't. But if I'm just standing, like with it well adjusted, it is good. But if I want to walk around, not so good. If you're gonna get this dress and you're a little bit more maybe curvy, I would suggest you size up. With the sale that they have going on right now, this dress is actually a $17 at the very moment, which is so good. It's so cute. Next up is so basic, but I've been searching for literally like the perfect set of biker short and like top. All of them have like something that just doesn't make them perfect for me. They're either like stretch out too fast, they're too long, they're not high-waisted enough. So I have yet to find my perfect pair of bike shorts this summer, so I thought I would give it another go, just see how they are. And I think we finally have a winner, guys. Like tears of joy. This is called the Black Cycling Shorts and Bando Coordinate Set. And I got it in a small medium, which they say on the website is about a size 8 and 10. It's really hard to mess up a tube top, so obviously the tube top is super cute. It fits me perfect. And then it comes with the matching bike shorts. I love it because it's not cotton. It is that like dressier, thicker material, so it holds everything in and it covers my belly button, and they're long enough so my thighs don't rub together. That's partially why I'm obsessed with the bike short trend, is because like I can't wear normal shorts because my thighs, you know, thigh rash. I don't know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, sorry. This set is currently $21 on their website, which I think is great because you get both pieces. So I think it's about time for Cass's daring choice of the video. If you watch my hauls, you know this is one of my favorite parts. I always try something that's a little bit weird, a little bit too wacky, a little bit very out of my comfort zone. I know that animal print is like a super big trend right now, especially your leopard and your snake. I love snake, but leopard is very daring for me. But I saw this on the website. Yeah, they have a lot of animal print pieces on the website, and I don't know, I thought I would try this out. I am going to Asia, so I wanted kind of like loose, flowy things that I could wear around. This is it. So it's a jumpsuit. It is all leopard. It ties up in the back. It's really cute. The top is really cute. Makes everything look good. Makes your back look nice. And then the pants are a like flowy culotte, I would say, cut, so it doesn't reach all the way to the floor. I envisioned it like with a cute belt, like a black belt, to kind of break up all of the leopard, but then none of my belts were small enough to fit around that like part of my body, like that waist. I don't hate it. It fits your body, super flattering, but as far as me personally, was my daring choice a success? I don't know. Maybe if I find like the right belt to pair with it, because that'll definitely like break up the amount of leopard that's going on, and I think make it a little bit more wearable. So yeah. This is called the Leopard Plunge Strappy Culotte Jumpsuit, and right now it is $29 on their website, and I got it in a size 10. In this case, I saved the best for last, or I don't know, I really liked my shoes. So maybe we started with the best and we're finishing with the best. I got this cute tiny little shirt. I love the like asymmetrical like cuts that are in right now. I see them a lot on Instagram on like dresses and little crops. I think it's so cute. It has this little sleeve and then this one that actually is on the shoulder. This one's more off the shoulder. It is called the Black Asymmetrical Crop Top, and I got it in a size 8, so if the clothing item doesn't really require anything that has to do with like the bottom, I usually get a size small. So in this case, I got a size 8. I think this one keeps everything like snug and in. That's kind of why I like to size down for tops. I just think it is so, so, so cute. It is currently $18 on their website, and I think it's so worth it, like to wear with just like high-waisted like black jeans and just have a solid black sleek look and just like go out, go to the club, go to a fancy restaurant, not fancy, like a trendy restaurant, not a fancy restaurant, because it's a little bit too cropped for a fancy restaurant. I'm actually obsessed with this, and I'm so happy with my haul. I'm so excited to go wear things. So that is it for this haul. I hope you guys liked it. If you do like anything, all the links will be in the description down below, as well as my code. Save yourself some money, take advantage of the sale. All of my social media links will be in the description down below. I hope to post some outfit pictures on my Instagram using some of the items, so look out for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!